Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy, the boy, Hand of Henry, aka Hit of Henry, aka Henry Heck, and this is another unboxing from the folk at the Gundam Place Store. My man, yes sir, Bob. Yes sir, Bob. It's another unboxing. I will have the Juggernaut video up by the end of the week. It's Wednesday now, so it'll probably be up by Friday evening, Saturday morning, and I'm doing the unboxing in here on the living room table because I don't want to go back there and push all this stuff to the side, maybe possibly lose something, and like I did for the last unboxing, which was a mistake because I had to fish parts up and find tools, and it was just a mess. And so I'm coming into the living area to do this unboxing, you feel me? Do this unboxing. I made this purchase on Friday. There was another one of those purchases I meant to make on Thursday, but work wound up running late, and I got busy with other shit that I just forgot until like the next day. Shipping is hella smooth. It's super prompt, man. Cause here lately I've been pretty much ordering over the weekend, and my stuff has been getting here on Monday. Shout out to My Name Is My Name. He also made an order from the guys, and I think his packages came in today. I want to say they came in today. So yeah, shout out to the Gun Play Store, man. Prompt shipping, dude, hella cool. You hit him in the DMs, he always hit your back, and it feel like shopping with a homie. You know what I mean? It feel like shopping with a homie. And the last few purchases I've made have been from him, just because I don't know if y'all like this, but when I order something, I like to order it from the same place if I can. You know what I mean? I still shop with USA Gundam Store, but that's only if the boy don't got what I'm looking for. You know what I mean? I got a bunch of stuff on the wish list over there, so whenever it do come in over there, then I can get it. But like, he's just been getting stuff, and he knew I was looking for some Iron Blooded Orphan kits. So when he was like, a couple weeks ago, he's like, hey, I'm gonna get some stuff in here, a list, this is what I'm getting. I'm like, okay, yeah, bet I got to get it, I got to have it. So I made an order. I mean, it's still a couple of kits from IBO that I don't really know anything about, because I guess they're just from the manga, which I have not read. I've just only watched the show, which is litty. If you ain't watched it, go watch it. I give it an 8 out of 10. I got my complaints, but this ain't about that. This is about this package, and my knife is on the floor, and I've done quite a bit of talking, so let me get my knife ready, and we can get the slicing and dicing. Got my knife ready. The opener, like I said, it's a superb knife, man. I've had this knife since 2016, I want to say 2016, 2015. I have not had a sharpening knife yet. I almost lost an appendage to this knife. You know what? I'm gonna come back, and then we'll have an open. Go ahead and slice it. But then we'll have a open package for the 99 and 2000. All right, the box has been buzzed down safely. You feel me? And all right, that's my AC. I'm in the living room. It's Georgia. If you know anything about Georgia, you know how fucking hot it be pretty much all year round, except for like 2 fucking months. We get maybe 2 months, a month and a half of fucking coolness, and then we got heat. So also, I didn't want to cut it off because it like take a while to like get blowing how I need to blow, but I'm gonna have some music busting down, to dilute the noise pollution, as it were. So we got us a little bowl situation, y'all. I don't know what type of music that was, but I'm gonna have some music going anyway. Like a sticker. Hold on. And pardon my ashy, dirty hands and whatnot. I just got off work. Even though I got this package in yesterday, I knew the house was gonna be empty today, so I just want to wait till today to do it. Illest sticker, bro. Illest sticker. Look at this. I'm not even sure if this references a logo. Well, no, I don't like barber toast. But I don't know if it references a a suit in particular, but this is Flames My Mains. You feel me? Flames My Mains. You feel me? And okay, we got the first kit. Rock. You feel me? I don't know how to pronounce it. I pronounce it wrong every time, and I spell it even wronger every time. You feel me? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, Chimeris or Chimaris. I think this is like the second mode of the suit. Right here. The character that pilots this suit is a ill ass character. You know, I fuck with the character. You watch the show, I fuck with the character even before situations became a situation. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, here's your little rear view, front view. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Drill Lance, my man. I almost sunrise. I fuck with the Drill Lance, not Drill Lance, but the Gun Lance. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Grip hand. Hold for the grip lane. You see what I'm saying? You got different holds. You got the thumb out. You got the thumbs up maneuver. You feel me? Okay. Yeah. It's got an exclusive sword. The sword is exclusive. You feel me? It's exclusive. You feel me? Got a little side view of the kit itself. You know, HG. You feel me? I do enjoy HGs. HGs are pretty fun. They're pretty quick builds, you know. And you know, I'm just looking to add to my Iron-Blooded Orphan collection, to be honest with you. You feel me? And there we go. The fight. Oh yes. Oh yeah. You feel me? Cause I already got the bell. Shout out to you. I got the bell from the boy, the US, the Gunner Play Store. You feel me? At the Gunner Play Store. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking forward to busting this kit down and getting busy. Yeah, cool, super cool looking kit, man. Iron-Blooded Orphan has some of the coolest looking kits. Not kits, but coolest looking suits I've ever seen. Now my favorite suit out of the whole series. Oh my goodness, get out of here. My favorite suit out of the whole series is right here. Oh yes. I've been wanting this kit for a hot minute. Like, probably about 7 months. 7 months I've been wanting it. And USA Gundam Store been out for like eons. But you know what I mean? It's the Gujin, you know what I'm saying? Akihiro is my favorite character from the show. And he's the pilot of this kit. Not this kit, I keep saying pilot of this kit. He's a pilot of this suit. You know, you got your rear view. You feel me? With the pliers, the jaws of death, not the jaws of life. We got the jaws of death over here. You feel what I'm saying? It's front view, action. You feel me? Yeah. Oh yes, and the 4 arms are present. I'm just a sucker for it. If it got 4 arms, I'm with it. You know what I mean? I'm a huge fan of Asura's Wrath or Asura. You know, however you want to pronounce it. You know. But this is a beautiful kit, bro. It's a beautiful. Nah, I keep saying kit. Fuck, not kit, but it's a beautiful suit. Love this suit. I don't have this variation. Hold on. All right, I might have to get some more Barbatos parts. Twin. Ooh, okay. We got the Jaws of Death and Twin Mace action. Buster Sword. You feel me? I'm with it, bro. I'm with it. It was a smooth little. It wasn't like the largest haul, but you know, I'm with it. I got some kits I'm really pleased to have, and looking forward to putting together. You know what I'm saying? I wonder why I don't have his picture on the front. Akihiro. So yeah, this is the latest Iron-Blooded Orphans haul right here. I'm probably gonna order some more this week because he does have some more kits. It's just suits that I'm not really familiar with, but I mean they still look cool as hell, and they are some Gundam frames, so I might check them out. There's also another version of this. I probably won't get it, but I'm still got my eye open for a couple of more IBO kits. You know, I want the suit that Ashton piloted before he perished. I want the Flores Gundam. I forget, is that the name of it? They got the double rail gun on. They just low key started all that bullshit in the first fucking place that the Pretty Boy piloted. I also want the one that I forget the dude's name right. I don't have a super brain for it, but Hush ended up piloting the suit at the end, but it was for the fucking main dude with the white hat. I forget his name right now. Pardon me, I forget his name right now. The main dude with the white hat. But Hush ended up piloting that suit at the end. We didn't really get to see much of it. And I might still get all the other bullshit kits too, just to round it off, even though I really don't give a fuck about them. But cause I know the Grays Flores, it's like a variation of the Grays that the Pretty Boy was using before he went off to get his own Gundam frame. Fuck. My mind is shit right now. I just gotta work. Pardon me for not having the correct lore in order for the 99 and the 2000. This is my latest Gundam Play Store haul. Shout out to Gundam Play Store. Forever shopping with them, you know, for as long as they're in business. They got a customer in me. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I mean, this video is already gonna be a little bit over, might even be almost 15 minutes. These videos been running a little bit long because I've been talking a little bit more. But it is what it is, you feel me? I won't do a box bust down on each of the kits until I actually get started on them. Like I said, the Juggernaut I probably got another couple hours on Juggernaut in that video going up. And I'm building the Gujin first. You know what I mean? I'm gonna build the Gujin first just because I've been waiting for that kit for the longest. And that's my favorite suit out of the whole series. You feel what I'm saying? But it's been your boy, Hand of Henry. It's been an unboxing. Like I said, the Gundam Play Store. Hit this brother up. Hit this brother up, especially if you in GA on the East. If you on the East anywhere, wherever you at on the East, hit this brother up, man. Get your kits from this man's right here. You feel what I'm saying? Hit them folks up, man. Hit them folks up. But yeah, like I said, it's your boy Hand of Henry. And man, that's all I got. I will catch y'all in the next one.